Alright guys, welcome back to Rashi and Wally Vlogs. Alright, so this one gonna be a solo vlog, as you guys can see on the thumbnail. Heading back to Jamaica. Right now I'm currently at Toronto Airport, that's Pearson International Airport, YYZ. Occasion today is somewhat an emergency trip, taking an emergency trip back to Jamaica, and not to celebrate about, guys. Family member of mine passed away. Not going to go into too much of the details. I don't know if all I want to go there as real supporters for Russia and Wally Vlogs. I want to pray way up, you know, send out condolences. If you feel like you don't know persons out there, if you ever lost a loved one before, you exactly know how it feels. And if you lost a family member that's not too close, but you don't know a family same way, you know how it feels. So we're there to the airport, start of the vlog. We know so I miss Rashi. And you used to seeing Rashi come in and nice up the thing, but you don't know me alone. Gonna be doing this vlog, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Hopefully the family members and some of them want to come on camera, etc. You know, it don't really matter. We're gonna just vlog straight. You don't know it's a trip we make outside of Canada, back to Jamaica. So why not capture it and share the occasion with you guys? As I said before, nothing really to celebrate about. This is just another thing. It's a part of life. It happened. Favorite cousin, his mom. You don't know. Everybody else out there will know about bash me. His mom passed away, and you know it's a big thing in the family right now. So a lot of persons from US are flying. It's a funeral, but it's like an event as well. You know, a lot of people are gonna come together and get for reunite. You know what I mean? So if you don't know, guys, I'm gonna bring you along. We're at the airport, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going. Alright, so not sure if you guys can hear me. Try to turn up the volume so you can actually hear. Background noise very, very loud. But this is what I want to say, guys. Like, we literally just come back from Jamaica, like maybe a month and a half ago, 2 months ago maximum. We came back from Jamaica, and these things, you can't plan for them. You cannot plan for them, because we returned to Canada, say alright, we're going to regroup, and you know your travel is a lot of spending, guys. It's a big dent on your pocket. So, and then this just happened all of a sudden, and we have to go back. So it's just to say that, guys, you have to live your life, do whatever you can do. You know, don't put off things if you can do it right now, because you never can tell when it's your time, you know, or when it's a close family member of yours time, you know what I mean? So don't let anyone hold you down and prevent you from doing what you want to do, as long as it is sensical, you know, it's logical, it makes sense for your journey, whatever you want to achieve. Don't let anyone, because they're in a different track, they're in a different pathway, they have different ambitions, derail you from achieving what you want to achieve, or even just simply experience what you want to experience, because life is short and you never know when it's your time. You never know when it, you know, your life can be taken away, because what is man without the breath we got blowing away? Who are we? You know what I mean? So we're on this land for a short time, and we have to just make the best use of it and set an example for our kids. You know, we only have one child. Set an example for our child, and yeah, and the generations to come. And not only examples, still really, you know what I mean? You want to set a platform, you want to set a foundation in life. So do your best. That's just the message. Do whatever you want to do. Try and achieve whatever you can. Don't let anyone push back your ambitions, you know what I mean? Because life is short and you need to make the best of it. That's the message for today. Again, as we said, never planned for this. As you can see me, I do it by myself, solo vlog. I'm going to be bringing you guys along to see the beautiful airport. And yeah man, mash up the place, alright? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Watch one. Oh, if you've been watching this video so long for the last couple of minutes, ensure that you press the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We are family of 3. We are from a Jamaican background. We are now living in Canada, and we are sharing our experiences with you guys, alright? So if you don't love our sister part, subscribe. If you are ongoing, long time day one foundation supporters, press up the like button. Wally there by himself. usually accompanied but with Rashi. There by myself, I go to Jamaica and we will link up with some family members and attend a funeral service, of course, set up. Don't know what you happen. Yeah guys, so just grabbing a quick bite before we board the plane, eh?
Assurez que votre siège et votre tablette sont redressés.
I don't travel outside anymore.
Yes, so I feel good reach back into the place, you don't know. Alright guys, so reach and I head to the baggage area now. I'm gonna meet up with my cousin and I'm gonna pick me up. Thank you.
You're welcome. He's the governor. He's the general. You know if we climb on it. That's right. We have to come to the family.
The party are different. We're gonna take it right as now. Ready? You ready for that party now? Alright. Bring them up again now. Girl, know the Fanta. That one on the man, I'm a mambo. I'm a mambo. I'm a mambo.
I like it.
I drive fast, man. I wonder if you guys can make out the location where we are. After 20 seconds of watching the video, if you know where we're showing you. So heading on our way to Flatbridge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, going to Flatbridge right now. And then we have the next few minutes to go.
2 hours past, man, this thing. They just park right here, son. And the man just drive past me.
See it there?
Yeah.
Good to go.
Good to go. So guys, welcome back. You don't know, last clip in the see, so we're leaving from the airport and you don't know we are headed to the funeral right about now. I'm there with my cousin, right?
Up top. See it there?
Resident driver in the building, so right now you realize that I don't drive, me have somebody that drive for me.
Yeah, this brother here, man.
Yeah?
And the father no run a something.
Who?
The father no run on the back there.
Oh, right. Big up yourself, uncle. Yeah, man, so that I'm my uncle, this, so my father, brother, you know. Are you the eldest one also?
Yeah.
So he's the eldest one over there. You know, as I say, occasion, sad occasion. You know, funeral, not no good about funeral, but at the same time, we have an opportunity for somewhat congregate, right? And catch up on past memories, old times, you know what I mean? Because all over the place, people they are US, some they are Jamaica, a lot of us in Canada as well. So the funeral, again, is a sad moment, but at the same time, family members get the opportunity to come together. So we're there, we are doing it, we are on the way now, we are going to the church. On time, are we?
Yeah, on time.
Right on the wire, guys. We're there. We find somebody way later than me, actually.
Lie that.
We find somebody.
No,
so rush it.
No do that.
This a man, yes, a me love twist and turn. This a man a twist and turn.
A long time
twist and
ready,
turn.
Eh? Long time me ready.
Lord God, the man.
I'm the driver and I have to pick up everybody so can't complain. Where the pum rock there again?
Pum rock.
Over here, so yes, sir. See the pum rock over there, sir, brother.
First me hear that.
See the pum rock there.
Pum rock. I mean, I trouble to you, sir. I don't know pum rock. Which one?
Right there, sir.
Guys, when I know if you know nothing about pum rock, alright? Catch you, we are on the way to the church.
See Jesus, we will sing and shout the victory. Oh, we have overcome. Somebody give God praise. I am the one that followed. Very, very true. If I am going on the street and I appear as a husband, waiting for you. You can't put us up. Papa, if there's no one on the street, whatever. So for that matter, shall I, would have value for quarry. Not going far. Because the next day, they are friends again. You understand?
So guys, funeral finished everything. You know, we are smiling, but you know, it was a sad day. It is a sad day, right? But it came to an end. I'm there with who?
Cheryl. Actually, Shalene, aka Cheryl.
One of my favorite cousins.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's right.
You head out now, still guys, we're in a rush.
Yeah.
This lady that you see here, she's you first gave me that opportunity to come to Canada.
Absolutely. And I will do it again.
Back in 2016. So I have to big her up, I have to catch her before me leave.
Pick up
Right?
my cousin Jeremy.
Straight up.
Every time.
We're out.
Right. I'm on, right?
My introduction.
This is Cheryl's daughter, right?
Second daughter. My name is Denise, and I am excited to be here. But bugs are eating me up, so I'm ready to go home.
Alright, guys, you see it? Be a music a play still, I don't know if the video will get strike, but alright, right now the one here a cappella right now. We catching an half guard.
I've been here since 2007, and honestly, I missed it.
You missed
They
it?
don't look the same, but like, you know, the memories are coming back.
Alright, something I gotta ask you. I want you to tell me straight up. Jamaica nice or no nice?
It's nice.
Say it loud, no say it.
Nice.
It's nice.
Nice.
So guys, these are my Jamaican Canadians. Who is that?
Mama.
Them pretty, don't it? 3 lovely sisters.
Mother.
No, I'm the mama.
Your mom?
And these are my 2 daughters.
Nice.
Yes, as she said, we haven't been here since what, 2007. I think at that time our aunt was here with us. Our aunt is not here anymore, but God bless her soul. Just coming here, the memories were coming back, and yeah, blessings. Thank you.
Blessings, straight up. I'm gonna just tell you something easy. You nearly dropped a while ago, I'm not editing. Alright? I'll be showing that in the clip.
Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do that?
Some have made a quiet but beautiful cousin here.
Oh God.
Come on camera and say something. Say something.
Okay.
Say something.
Hello, vlog.
Let us know that you enjoy Jamaica. Now keep quiet now.
It was sad but good.
Yeah.
Ended on a positive note. Love the beach. Shout out to my cousins.
Yeah.
All of you guys. It's a big family. But yeah, it was nice.
Cool. Nah, pressure, guys. Trouble. Yo, I'm on the 2 general them say something.
What you want?
Well, I'm just show say the man them clean right now. See that?
What you want with me say?
No, say be truthful.
Be truthful?
Yeah.
Jamaica nice. I'm only people to talk about more than that.
Yeah, straight up. Yeah, say cause.
For me personally, you know, it wasn't like vacation, you know, celebrate the memory and the life of my mom. But, you know, everyone is here. Seeing people that I haven't seen in a long time on Cho.
And guys, you know, might see him looking strong.
But it's
a rough time.
Yeah,
and
so,
cry, guys. Men do cry.
Jamaica nice. Every time. See.
The view from up top, you know.
I started
And then bring it down.
Yeah, man. So you know, we kind of up it from underneath. It's alright. It's serious now, guys. So,
Mom,
wipe on the underneath. Wipe on it. You started hearing it? Yes. Wipe on the underneath. We have some people here with a like it. So wipe on the underneath. Anyhow, as I said before, guys, the trip was a good one. It was one that we all had to be here to somewhat come together and see for it our aunts and mom sending off. Of course, funeral. Bit about sweet at the same time because we are family and we need to see each other. We kind of spread all over the country, all over the globe, and it gives us opportunity to come together. It's sad, so we lose a loved one, someone who means a lot to us, but at the same time, there is life after death. You know what I mean? I don't even want to talk too much because right now, sentiments arise and the persons who kind of want to cry. Seriously, big up on yourself, guys. Don't bash me. I try my best to cover as much as possible. But at the same time, I was living in the moment. I know what my feelings are, so we can't record everything. So this is the best one we could do for record the Jamaica vlog while we're there here. You know, I mourn and at the same time get to enjoy each other company. You know what I say, guys? So big up on yourself. Watch Rashi and Wally Vlogs always. Press up the like and subscribe button, alright? I'm out.
Trouble there.
Jamie are the real general man. What you want to anything? I come get you one in our bush as a journey. You make the one I get one.
Who is that? Now he needs us to try and get it. No. No. Yo, this is hilarious.
Yeah, they're not getting that one.
They're not getting that one. And it's nice and yellow too.
Okay, they're pointing higher. But come on, guys. Get tree.
Backyard. I did not get done.
Something's calling on mommy.
Somebody's calling mommy?
Something's crawling on mommy.
Haha.
What happened?
What's going on? Oh, she got bit?
You're good, man. You're good. I go to you.
You sure DJ said enough flowers?